So I was just finishing up this drawing from last night. It's pretty shit. I don't like the contrast between the bird and the landscape. But I'll just come back to it later. Grandma has some chores for me, and I'm gonna go and get my hands dirty. Come and join me. Nothing really exciting today. It is what it is. Maybe I come back and fix this drawing. So the idea is to rake up and collect all this dead shit here, put it into a pile there, and burn it. And for the most part, there's a lot of shit over here, along the walls here, all the way back there to that corner. This over here is the well, and it's also where we bathe, where we used to bathe. And gotta clean and sweep all this shit up. Got a pretty good ground score. Looks like all the teeth are there. Nice. Found this one too. There we go, there we go. So it's 6 p.m. and this is what we're working with here. Been wheeling in all the leaves from over here, and we've done a pretty good job today. So far, I've just tried to clear as much as possible from over here. Done a pretty good job, and still gotta rake all the leaves up here, and then I'll start to make my way towards the pile.
my first time using the radio as a flashlight. Oh yeah. Still burning. Sheesh. Still gonna be going in the morning. Oh fuck. Trying to rearrange the placement here. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna shower and hit the hay. Let's see how the fire is doing tomorrow.